That Bluetooth continues to be a problem for Kenneth. So, a fantastic safety shot. Oh! No, sir. It's a bank shot coming from Kenneth Arpilleda. You could definitely include that to the highlight reel. Pang top 5 yan. At pumuputok na yung mga bola dun sa short trail. Just behind. Just underneath the 9 ball. Kargado ng inside spin. Check out the bounce here. Not enough. Not enough.
By the way, he planted his cue stick dun sa east. There you go. But,
got it!
Yun pala yun. Yung tira sa 2 ball pang top 5, yun pang top 4 na yun.
At hindi nabibiktima ng great shot syndrome si Kenneth Arpilleda.
Oo.
If you're Manila, especially if you're Coach Dennis Po, go for it, kid.
Yes.
And the shot apparently agreed.
Eh, nagpapakitang gilas din dito sa King of the Hill, Jay.
Kenneth Arpilleda perhaps played his best rack here in SBA Season 2.